Nanbabo Kabalen. Welcome to Wherein Pampanga. For today's vlog, we were invited by Casa Aya Private Villa and Events Place. Ito yung staycation natin for today. And take a look at my background. Napakalaking events place dito guys. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Nandito tayo ngayon sa bandang likuran. And look at that space, no? Napakalawak nito guys. In my estimate, siguro this can accommodate up until 500 or more than, no? Napakalaki, napakaluwang nito guys for any occasion that you can have. Garden wedding, a reunion, even a corporate event. Actually, pwede rin to dahil sa sobrang laki niya, sobrang lawak niya. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Laki! Ito rin sa bandang likuran, located yung ating pinaka swimming pool. Meron tayong jet pool, 2 feet, 3 feet hanggang pababa na siya ng palalim. So nandito tayo ngayon sa living room area. Actually, dito sa place na to, interconnected yung dining table, at the same time, yung indoor kitchen. For me, what I can say, isa ito sa mga pinaka-eleganteng staycation na napuntahan namin. Tingnan nyo naman yung living room area natin. Very high ceiling, ang laki ng sofa. At the same time, meron din tayong malaking LCD TV dito. And then yung mga muebles, yung mga furnitures na nandito actually, napaka-elegante talaga. Sobrang magugustuhan mo to kung ganito yung mga tipo mo sa bahay. Ayun nga guys, pasukan natin yung unang room dito sa resort. And pagpasok mo, napakalaki niya. Maliligaw ka actually. Punta muna tayo dito sa kaliwang bahagi. And ito yung una nating bubungad sa iyo. King size bed. Ayan. And then meron pang bed dito na queen size naman. Mula dito sa room natin, ito yung parang pinaka walk-in closet, no? Pansin ko kasi parang lalagyan siya ng mga mattresses natin, mga pillow, and yung closet. Now, dito sa side na to, notice, akala ko kanina, bedroom siya. And look at this. Wow! Napakalaking comfort room naman nito. Pasukan natin guys. Meron siyang bathtub. Malaki din siya. And then, ito yung ating his and hers wash area. Ito yung pinaka-shower. Yan. And then, yung toilet. Sa may pool area, meron tayo dito parang outdoor living room. So notice guys, ang gaganda ng mga sofa natin dito. Tell you honestly and to let you know guys, I think this is one of the most spacious na resort na napuntahan namin guys. Dahil nga meron pa siyang additional space for events, which is this one. And actually, yung pinaka villa natin, malaki pa rin siya. Inside it, meron siyang 4 rooms. Meron din siyang 2 rooms dun sa labas. So all in all, you have 6 rooms, no? Good? That's meal? Yeah. Okay. vacation. Nag-enjoy po kami. Sobrang sarap ng swimming namin at the same time. Napakasarap din ng tulog namin. So yun guys, if you're interested to know more about this, go check out the link we're gonna be including dun sa caption below. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching We're Pampanga. Peace out. Bye guys.